Hey everyone, it's Skipper Mark, and today is day 6 of Matt rebuilding the 305 engine in his 1985 IROC Camaro. If you haven't seen any of the previous videos, I have a link above and in the description below. Today Matt has just one task: install the engine into the car. Before he can do that though, there's a few more things he has to tackle. He actually got started before I was ready to record and had the harmonic balancer and pulley assembly installed by the time I got outside. When I went out, he was getting ready to take the engine off the stand, which is required to install the flywheel and clutch assembly. Those are easy to install, but the parts are heavy and the engine tends to move around while hanging on the chain. I didn't want to be in the way, so we just set the camera down and let it record. Matt needed an extra hand to do a couple things, so Nancy jumped in to help. If you've never seen one, this is the clutch. It's basically a plate that grabs the flywheel when the clutch pedal is released and separates when the clutch pedal is pressed. This is the clutch cover and it attaches to the flywheel. Torquing the bolts was a little tricky because the engine kept shifting around, but it wasn't that bad. This is the bell housing which covers the back of the engine and connects to the transmission. Once that was installed, the engine was ready to go into the car. Initially, Matt wanted to install the engine first and then attach the transmission underneath, but that didn't work out. It was too difficult to get the transmission and bell housing lined up, so he took a break and went to Harbor Freight to get a low-profile transmission jack. With that, he was able to set the transmission on it and attach it to the engine. It was a bit tough to get a good recording of the assembled unit going in because Matt was moving around a lot, clearing wires and moving things that were in the way, and I didn't want to be in the way either, but overall it went in pretty smoothly. Once the engine was nearly in place, I stopped recording. I figured it wouldn't be too exciting to show Matt attaching things like headers and spark plug wires. But if you have any questions, please leave a message in the comments below and I'll try to answer as best I can. As always, thanks for watching and have a great day.